Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Like You on piano. We'll begin by identifying the song's key signature, which is crucial for understanding the chord progressions. Next, we'll focus on the 4 essential chords that form the foundation of the verse. These are relatively simple and easy to grasp. Finally, I'll guide you through practicing smooth transitions between these chords, ensuring your playing sounds fluid and connected. This initial step is vital for building a strong bass. Now, let's dive into the melody and left-hand techniques. Your right hand will focus on playing the beautiful melody line, capturing the song's emotional essence. Simultaneously, your left hand will provide the foundational bass notes, giving depth and rhythm to your performance. We'll work on coordinating both hands effectively, ensuring they complement each other perfectly. This synchronization is key to achieving a full and rich sound, making your rendition truly expressive and complete. To truly bring Love Like You to life, we'll explore dynamics and expressive playing. Learning to vary your volume from soft to loud will add significant emotional depth to your performance. We'll also discuss effective pedal techniques to enhance the resonance and sustain of your notes, creating a richer sound. Remember to practice with a metronome to maintain a steady tempo, which is fundamental for a polished and professional delivery. These elements will elevate your playing. For those ready to take their playing further, let's discuss some advanced tips and practice strategies. Consider exploring advanced chord voicings to add more richness and complexity to your sound. Don't be afraid to experiment with different rhythmic interpretations, giving the song your unique flair. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will yield significant improvement. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Keep practicing and enjoy the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.